In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money uploading your photos and videos on multiple different websites, right? So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button for me to help the YouTube algorithm show this video to other people and also to show appreciation for the channel. So let's just go ahead and dive into this, right? So what you can do here is upload photos and videos that you take and or get somehow, whether it be from common goods, whatever, common creative things. I recommend you take your own photos, but I'm gonna show you how you could get paid for these photos from other content business owners, entrepreneurs, people looking for stock photos, right? So as you can see on my computer screen right now, I have a website pulled up known as FOAP. FOAP.com. I absolutely love this website and you will too. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you why, right? So if you come over to FOAP here, you can see it says, tell your brand story with your own customized visual content. It's pretty cool. You access a community of over 3 million talented creators like you and me, right? Uploading our videos and photos right here to make a little bit of extra passive income, right? And then scroll down just a little bit and you can see some of the top brands that are on this site. Nivea, Heinz Craft Ketchup, Volvo, Transavia, Heineken, IHG Hotels, and then I think that's American Express, or that's I don't know who that is. Scale your tailor-made photography. I'm not gonna read everything to you, right? But what you want to do, see, but you can see it's pretty cool. You got to brief and launch your mission. You get to talk about stuff, but you can see you get rewards and stuff like that. So you got three different types of missions that they offer. Exclusive missions where you want your content to stand out and avoid any copycats. Request assets exclusively licensed to your brand. Product sampling, you want to create some early buzz or test the market. These are things you can do, right? Or a secret mission you're about to launch, but you want to keep your competitors guessing, which doesn't really have anything to do with you making money, right? So what I want to show you about making money is, if you scroll up to the top right here, over here on the right-hand side, because right now it's on brands, right? Brands come over here and look for partners or photos from people like you and me that upload our stuff. So we are considered creators, right? So up here on the top right, you'll just want to click switch to creators. You see that? And then once you come over to switch to creators, right? See, it says time to make extra money with your videos and photos, right? So you could do this just by downloading on the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone or an Apple product. If you have Android, you need to get on the Google Play Store, right? So just scroll down, you can see simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash, right? When a brand over on the other side of this company or agency or just anyone like you or me or any other entrepreneur that buys stock photos, right, who wants your work, purchases a video photo from you, you and FOAP split it with a 50-50 rev share, right? So you take home 50% of the revenue, right? So you get to take part in creative video and photo missions, which is super awesome. Like they host these missions where you can make extra money, like even sometimes upwards of like $700-800 just if your photo gets selected for that mission, right? I'm gonna show you exactly how to partake in that in just a minute, right? So scroll down a little bit more, make sure you download the app, turn your photos into cash. There's testimonial, video, whatever. You can see it's been seen on ABC News, CNN, the BBC, and the New York Times, and Mashable. So this is not something that I just pulled out of thin air. This is actually a good reputable site for you to go list your skills, all right, your photos and stuff from the skills you have, right? So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see right here on the left-hand side it says solutions, right? And under excuse me, under solutions it says missions. Go ahead and click missions, and this is where those extra missions are that I was telling you about, right? So right here you can see this is a video mission, right? Let's test the video missions, right? And right here they have over 2,000 videos submitted, but the winner of this mission, that's decided by the FOAP team and everybody over there, right? The winner gets a $150 reward. And it tells you how many days are left for you to submit your entry, right? Your video for this. And it tells you right here, you click to read more and you get to see what it's about, right? But let's just look over here to the right a little bit more. And you can see all the way to the right, there's one for summertime, right? Summer is coming into full swing for something that has already begun, blah, 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 blah. But what they want you to do probably is upload photos of summer. I don't know, you have to click read more and find out, right? But you can see the reward is $700 for simply uploading photos. And this is like completely extra. This is just missions for you to enroll your photos in, right? This isn't the same thing as just like people buying their stock photos, right? While you do get to list your photos to be purchased at any given time, you do have the opportunity to list your photos in these extra missions right here. And you can go to whatever makes sense, right? And get this extra reward, right? If your photo wins, you can make an extra $500-700. Like let's say maybe you win once a month, right? But I'm not saying you always will. They got $50 rewards, a lot of $50 reward ones, $600 reward, $500 reward, right? But if you win periodically while simultaneously getting other things, right? You're already out there taking photos. There's no reason why you shouldn't upload them to these sites. It doesn't really cost you anything, I don't believe, to list on these sites. I could be wrong. If you may have to pay, but I don't think you have to pay to list. I'm not aware. I'm not sure of, so don't quote me on that, right? I guess I could click sell your content and see what it says. No, you just download it from the App Store, I guess, and you just upload your photos, right? So after that, that's one website, right? So if you're already taking the photos and you're already taking the time to upload it to one website, well, then you may as well upload it to another website, right? It just makes sense to syndicate your content, have it on multiple platforms, because I personally do go buy stock images whenever I'm creating new brands, new websites, and we just want stock images. We go pay for those, right? Another website outside of FOAP where you can list your images is going to be known as Shutterstock. A lot of people here probably have heard of it. You may or may not have heard of it, but what Shutterstock is, it's another place for royalty-free stock images, photos, videos, and more for your creative projects, right? So what you can do here is you can upload your photos here to be sold, right? So people that go in here and buy, like if I was to search for images of cars, right? I can buy images here, right? And these images are taken by somebody else. Some of these may be free, some of these may be paid, right? But like, let me click this one. Download, get this image for free, plus get full access to the library. So like this one's free, but they have different ones, and they have, you get royalties of the video because people have to sign up for you see the pricing? People sign up as subscription plans to these websites. That being said, you get a royalty of the images that are sold or the videos, images, what have you. So again, if you are already uploading your photos and videos over to FOAP, then you need to also make sure you're uploading them to Shutterstock, because it just makes sense, right? I will show you one more site you can sell them on. Right here, 500px.com. May as well upload your photos here as well. You get paid for your photos with 500px licensing. You get up to 60% royalties here. Super easy submission as well. I don't want to walk you guys through all of the steps, but you can see just on the top right hand side, it will say sign up. That is the same for Shutterstock. Just on the top right hand side, hit sign up. You'll be able to sign up and do what you need to do to list your photos on Shutterstock. And again, make sure you check out FOAP and list your photos there. And remember, on FOAP.com, they were my absolute favorite. That's why I went ahead and showed you first, because if you didn't stick around and make it to this part of the video, at least you would know what FOAP is. And what is super awesome is the missions. And then they also have the little market right here where you could go and see what other people are doing. This is where you can look at other images that have been submitted, and you see there's personal people, there's food stuff. So people that do like blogging and stuff, they buy these photos, right? If I have a blog and I'm talking about keto diets and stuff, I go find photos like this for like $10 so I could put them on my website without any complications, right? I'd come in here and buy a bunch of photos, and then I make my blogs and websites, right? So this is a real thing. You can check it out. FOAP.com, Shutterstock, and 500px.com. Appreciate everybody being here. If you didn't already, subscribe. If you liked the video, smash the like button. And if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.